What's up, guys? So today we're gonna do an unboxing of the new SEIKO 5 Sports release 2019. So I have here the box, so I'm gonna unbox it now. Okay. Inside the box you would see premium looking box with the SEIKO 5. Okay, so there you go. It's made in box is made in China. Okay, it includes, what's this? Okay, it includes the warranty and guidelines, I think, on how to operate the box, the manual. There you go. This is the warranty card here, with the watch serial number and the day it was bought, case number, and where it was bought. It's from Goreta 1. Alright. Okay, now inside the box we see the SEIKO 5 green gilt with, I've chosen the green gilt with the gold indices because of, well, the sophisticated look of it. So let's start. It's a green gilt style watch from SEIKO 5 Sports line. There you go, with the gold indices. Isn't that a beauty? See, the dial is a sunburst type, and the bracelet is a oyster type bracelet. The watch has an exhibition glass. The back, and a clasp type of bracelet. There you go. Yeah, that's a bracelet. It's made from stainless steel. See the watch, yeah. Okay, with an automatic lettering inside the dial and the new logo of the SEIKO 5. So there you go. You want to see the loom? Maybe in another video I'll let you know the specifications, but for now I just want you to see the beauty of the watch. There you go. It's an automatic watch from SEIKO, and the crown is winding crown. Doesn't need to pull it up or out to wind it. You can wind it instantly out of the box. See? Okay, with the date and day features. So there you go, the new SEIKO 5 Sports green gilt with gold indices. Thank you.